Well, you know, I'm so old they canceled my blood type. And as I'm getting older and starting to watch more golf on TV and enjoying it, I didn't appreciate a lot of the stuff in school until I got older. Little things like being spanked every day by the vice principal. Now I have to pay good cash for that. Rain running down my back, tears flooding my cheeks. Never been so lonely, lost all hope. The devil's got his hand on my shoulder. That don't rhyme, does it? Kneeling at these crossroads, praying to the Lord Almighty to rescue me from this holy, holy salvation. Need an angel, 'cause I'm getting deeper, deeper in every day. Need to tell old Satan, you got no deal with me. And he always tells me I'm going downhill in a mudslide, and there's no hope, no salvation for me. If my papa, well, if he ever found out, if he knew, he'd tan my hide and come for me. It's raining down hard up on my back, and tears are flooding my cheeks. Never been so lonely, lost all hope, and the devil's got me by the shoulder, kneeling at the crossroads, praying to the Lord Almighty to rescue me from this salvation. I surely need an angel, it's getting deeper every day. I need to tell old Satan, no deal, old Satan, no deal with me. But he always tells me I'm sliding downhill in this mudslide. And if Papa ever knew, he'd tan my hide. Papa ever knew, he'd tan my hide for sure. What I need is a little Sunday go-to meeting and some good book thumping to save me from my evil ways, to save me